Many businesses fail not because their product is bad, but because they sell to the wrong customers. They often say, "My product is for everyone." The truth, when you try to sell to everyone, you sell to no one. In this video, I will teach you how to define your target customer step by step with practical exercises, so you can apply it immediately to your business. A target customer is a specific group of people most likely to need your product or service, pay for it, prefer your brand over competitors. Target customer is not everyone, anyone who has money, anyone you hope will buy. Think of it like this. If your product is a luxury watch, your target customer is professionals or high-income buyers, not students. If your product is a budget phone, your target is price-sensitive young adults, not high-income professionals. Mini exercise. Write down one sentence. Who do I think needs my product the most? Why spend time defining your target customer? When you know exactly who your customer is, your marketing becomes more focused, spend less money. Your messages become clear, attract right people. Your sales increase because you talk to people who care. Your strategy is more effective, everything is aligned. Without defining your target customer, marketing is random, sales are weak, strategy is unclear. Tip: think of target customer as your business compass. Without it, you're navigating blind. Let's do it step by step, with exercises for you to practice immediately. White heavy checkmark. Step 1. Define who they are. Ask age range, gender, income level, location, job/role. Exercise. Write down 3 to 5 characteristics of your ideal customer. Example: age, 30 to 45, income, $500 to $1,500 per month, location, Phnom Penh City, job, office employees. White heavy checkmark. Step 2. Understand their problems. People don't buy products, they buy solutions to problems. Ask, what frustrations do they face? What problems are they trying to solve? What outcome do they want? Exercise. List 3 main problems your product solves. Example: problem 1. Furniture is too expensive. Problem 2. Furniture breaks easily. Problem 3. Difficult to deliver. White heavy checkmark. Step 3. Understand their behaviors. Ask, how do they buy? Online or offline? How often do they buy? Daily, weekly, monthly? Are they price sensitive or quality focused? Do they make fast or slow decisions? Exercise. Write a short note. My customer prefers to buy and cares most about. White heavy checkmark. Step 4. Understand their motivation. Ask, why do they choose a product or brand? Price, quality, brand trust, convenience, status? Tip: motivation is often emotional, not logical. Exercise. Write one sentence. My customer chooses my product because. White heavy checkmark. Step 5. Exclude non-customers. Defining target customer is also about who not to sell to. Ask, who cannot afford my product? Who will not value it? Who is not profitable to serve? Exercise. List 2 to 3 groups of people you will not target. This step saves money and increases focus. White heavy checkmark. Step 6. Write your target customer statement. Combine all the info into one clear sentence. Our target customers are underscore 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 who need underscore 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 and choose us because underscore underscore underscore. Example: our target customers are middle-income families in cities who need affordable, durable furniture and choose us because of quality and fair price. Example: coffee shop. Crossmark. Bad target. Everyone who drinks coffee. White heavy checkmark. Clear target customer. Office workers, 25 to 45 years old. Buy coffee every morning. Value speed and consistency. Result: menu focuses on best-selling coffee. Fast service setup. Higher repeat sales. Crossmark. Trying to target everyone. Crossmark. Copying competitors' customer blindly. Crossmark. Only using age/gender without understanding problems. Crossmark. Ignoring motivation and buying behavior. Tip: clear target customer equals clear business direction. To define your target customer, know who they are. Understand their problems. Understand their behaviors. Know why they buy. Clearly exclude non-customers. If you define your target customer clearly, everything else, marketing, sales, strategy, becomes simple and effective. Thumbs up like this video. Push pin subscribe for more business training. Bell follow this channel to learn strategy, marketing, and management. Thank you for watching.